says private keep out. Are we gonna do that?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm more of a pull-out kind of guy. Let's go.
Okay. What's going on? This is Value Shooters. Go to a thrift store, pick up a nifty little camera, shoot with it, give you the camera after I'm done with it, because I don't need all these cameras, and it's better off that everyone else gets to use them after me. Like, once my turn is up, it's someone else's turn. So, with that being said, congratulations to the winner of last week's video. Head on back to that video. I highlighted, or I pinned the comment with the winner's name. So shoot me a DM on Instagram and we'll organize how I can ship it to you. This week, we have the Pentax MZ60. It's a 35mm SLR with autofocus. It zooms 28 to 80. There's no corrosion in the battery. It's in great condition. There's no fungus on the lens. And believe it or not, I spent $15 on it at the thrift store. This is one of the most expensive cameras that I bought at the thrift store. I looked at it and I thought, that looks pretty interesting. I should spend that money on it. So I did. Is it a mistake? I guess we'll find out. We'll see how it performs. So to take this bad boy out of my hands, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the link in the description. Enter as much as you can. And the winner will be announced next Friday. And guess what? There will be another camera up for grabs that day if you don't win this one. So don't sweat it. Just keep trying. Someone will win. Especially now. The community it's growing, but we're small. So here's your chance to shine. So today we got the trusty Kodak Gold. I love this film. It's fairly cheap. It looks good, and it's fairly cheap. We're on a budget here, as you all know. So we're taking this out to the town. It's raining out, so I'm gonna throw my jacket on. But yeah, come along. Look at that butterfly.
That's a locust.
Oh.
She can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song. I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid. Where you think I left from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock 'cause she know how to talk good.
Do you hear that? That means we're done. Until next time. Yep. See ya.